Are you looking for the best 3D fiber lash mascaras in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best 3D fiber lash mascaras that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Younique 3D Mascara. The time has come to increase your average lash volume. And that can best be achieved with this lash mascara from Younique. It is a brand new mascara set, and it comes with Uplift Plus Enrichy and Uplift. Furthermore, it is made of natural ingredients, implying that you will not suffer from any side effects. The mascara will not just increase the average volume of your eyelashes, but also will make sure you look prettier than ever before. So get it now for enhanced beauty. At number 4, Miaadora 3D Mascara. If you are looking for a 3D mascara set, look no more, because the Miaadora has an improved one that will help elevate your beauty. It has an improved formula that helps maximize the volume and length of your eyelashes. For this reason, the Miaadora mascara is undoubtedly the best fiber mascara for those who have thin or short eyelashes. The natural, non-toxic ingredients have no side effects. Moreover, you must know that no rabbit was killed in the name of testing this product. At number 3, Lash Factory 300X 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. Say goodbye to fighting with false eyelashes, because the best fiber mascara is on the market today. This quality Lash Factory mascara has it all. It is designed in such a way that it increases the user's lash thickness and volume up to an incredible 300%. In fact, you will have longer eyelashes without undergoing the fuss of having to use false eyelashes or lash extensions. Use this best 3D mascara to get those eyelashes you have been dying for. At number 2, Lagure 3D Mascara Set. Make your lashes longer, fuller, and prettier than you have never imagined with this innovative fiber lash mascara from Lagure. It is designed to provide you with the volume, curl, and length you'll be wanting every now and then. Whether you are going for a special occasion or want to take a walk in the street, the Lagure 3D Mascara Set is the item to rely on. It is so perfect that it can only be compared by the Younique 3D Mascara. At number 1, Belle Eleganze 3D Mascara. Be beautiful, be elegant, be you, of course, with the best fiber mascara on the market, the Belle Eleganze 3D Mascara. This set allows you to achieve the effects of falsies and artificial eyelash extensions with no or minimal effort and without digging deep into your pocket. Furthermore, it looks completely natural, implying you won't have any side effects if you happen to have a sensitive skin. Take advantage of this mascara's ease of use to look more intense and fierce. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.